Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for July 4. Youth and Culture Minister Hanna is asserting that partisan politics will not be allowed to mar the execution of Jamaica 50 activities. The minister gave the commitment during her sectoral presentation Tuesday.
This celebration is about Jamaica and the pride of our people. As a people and a country, there is more that unites us than the forces that seek to separate us. For my part, partisan politics will not be allowed to play any part in this national Jamaica 50 program.
To encourage this, she revealed that 2 members of the parliamentary opposition have been asked to sit on the broad-based steering committee set up to oversee the implementation of the celebrations. And those celebrations are to include transforming the Independence Park complex into the Golden Jubilee Village. A range of daily activities have been planned for different specialized areas of the village leading up to the big day. On another subject, the Youth and Culture Minister is sending a clear, unequivocal message to child abusers.
We will hunt you down. We will expose you no matter who you are and where you come from. And we will ensure that you are punished to the full extent of the law.
While making her 2012-2013 sectoral presentation Tuesday, Minister Hanna reiterated that efforts were underway for a review of the penalties for child abusers. Her comments came in the context of preliminary data from the Office of the Children's Registry showing a 22% increase in the number of reports on child abuse and maltreatment in 2011. To begin addressing the matter, Minister Hanna said that nearly $1.6 billion would be spent this fiscal year on interventions for children through the Child Development Agency and the OCR. She informed Parliament that the interventions would include placing more children in state care with families rather than in government facilities. In addition, a national campaign would be implemented to encourage Jamaican families to foster children, and the grants to private children's homes would be increased. The Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, is developing a new advertising campaign for Destination Jamaica to attract more tourists to the island. The JTB is working with advertising and marketing agency Draft FCB to undertake the initiative. While making his sectoral presentation Tuesday, the Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil said it was time to refresh and redo the current Once You Go You Know campaign, which had been in existence for the last 8 years. The visitjamaica.com website will also get a facelift.
It is intended that these changes and the redesign will be coordinated to synchronize with the work being done for the new campaign. So, Speaker, these efforts are not an end in of themselves. They are for the expansion of Jamaica's market share in the global tourism.
Minister McNeil said the marketing of Destination Jamaica would extend beyond the traditional markets and greater focus would be placed on health and wellness and sports tourism. Spanish language teachers at the Shortwood Teachers College are to benefit from an intensive training workshop directed by 2 overseas Spanish experts. The Education Ministry, Embassy of Spain, and Instituto Cervantes of Spain, one of the world's largest Spanish teaching institutions, are partnering on the initiative.
Spain is the second language of international communication. This initiative responds to that objective of assisting Jamaica to take advantage of that economic, is beyond the cultural reasons, the economic interaction with these countries.
We would like to thank all of those who have made it possible. I hope that it goes very, very well and that it is but the first chapter of an increasing collaboration between our nations.
The training workshop will take place from July 9 to 14, at the end of which the Jamaican teachers will be certified by the 3 partners. And finally, national hero, the Right Excellent Norman Mandy, was remembered Wednesday morning on the anniversary of his birth with a floral tribute. Family members, the Governor-General, political representatives from the government and opposition, along with trade union and civic leaders, took part in the ceremony at the National Heroes Park.
Whether he was the barrister defending human rights and justice for all, the cultural activist and enthusiast, sportsman extraordinaire, the skillful negotiator of all times, the daring politician advancing nationalistic plans for the welfare of Jamaica, and the chief architect of Jamaica's constitution, he was of the people, by the people, and for the people.
We have more on the life of the national hero later in the magazine. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.